Hi guys, welcome to my channel Kode. In the last video, we have seen how to create collections and how to create gift cards in Shopify. In this video, we will see how to create navigation menu. Then we'll see how to add filters to the collection. And at the last, we will give our website a name, description, and we'll also upload logo. Before going ahead, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. So without wasting much time, let's start. In order to create a navigation menu, we need to click on Online Store under the Sales channel. Then we need to click on Navigation. So guys, this is the navigation screen where we create menus and assign pages to it. Also, we assign filters to the collections. If we open the front end of the website, then we can see that our website is having the navigation menu. Guys, we can change this navigation menu and let's see how this menu is coming on the website currently, like home, catalog, contact. Under navigation screen, we can see that we have a menu called main menu. And we can see that it has items called home, catalog and contact. This is the reason why on the front end, we can see the same options, home, catalog and contact. We shall not edit the main menu. We'll create a new one. In order to create a new menu, we need to click on Add Menu. Now give it a title like Live Menu. Then we can add the menu items. In order to add the menu items, click on Add Menu Item icon over here. Then at the right side, we have a small section which says Add Menu Item. Under that, we have the menu name and the link of it. First, let's add home page. I'll type home page and I will give the link home page. Guys, if you click over here, you can see the different options. Like if you want to give a collection name, then you need to click on collection. Like if I click on collection, then whatever collection that we have currently on Shopify Store, those collections will be available. Then under products, we can see all the products that we have on the website. And similar for the pages. If we click pages, then we can see the pages and we can link it to the menu. Now, currently, let's go with the home page only. In order to add it, we need to click on Add. Now, you can see that the menu item home page has been added successfully. Now, let's add About Us. Now, let's go to the pages and assign the page About Us. Click on Add. Now, let's add Contact Us. Now, under links, again, we need to go under pages and let's assign the page Contact. Now, click on Add. Now, we will also add the collection over here. I'll say all collections. Click on Add. Now, let's add one more collection. Like sales. And let's give it a title. Guys, if you see, I just selected the collection name and directly the name appeared for it because that name it took from the collection. We can also give filters to this, but it is optional. Now let's click on Add. We can also change the positions of this menu item. Like over here we have few dots. I can just click on it and I can just take it up or down. I can also place this under the collection. So this will be the sub item of this particular collection over here. The sales will be the sub item of the main collection. Now let's click on save menu. Also we can see that we are having the handle as live menu because we have given it a name called live menu. Guys, now a menu has been created. Live menu. Now let's see whether it is coming on the website or not. Now let's refresh the page. Guys, nothing has changed. This is because the website is currently taking the menu, main menu. But we have created the menu called live menu. But how we can add it? Let's see now. Now go to online stores and then under online stores we have themes. Now click on customize. Now click on header over here. At the right side we can see the header options. Now look at the option called menu over here. Currently we can see the menu as main menu. We can click. We need to change this. In order to change the menu, we need to click on change and then again click on change menu. Now select the menu that we have created, that is live menu. Now click on select. Guys, we can see the preview over here. Now click on save. Now the changes have been saved. Now let's go on the front end and let's refresh the page. Guys, now you can see that the changes have been applied and we can see the menu that we have created in the back end. We can see the home page, then the main collection, and inside that we can see the sub collection that we had added. Also we can see the page about us and contact us. And we can navigate by clicking on it. I hope you have understood how to create navigation menu and assign it to the website. Similarly, we can make changes to the footer menu and assign it to the footer of the website. Like, let me edit this current menu only, footer menu. Now, let's see what is there over here. We have a menu item called search. Now, if we go on the front end of the website, then we can see the under quick links, the option called search. Now let's add more menu items to it. Click on add menu. Now click on pages. Let's add contact and also the about page. I'll take this about page about the contact. Now click on save. Now let's go on the front end of the website and see whether the changes are made or not. It will take little bit of time. Let's refresh again. Now the changes are coming. Whatever links we had added under footer over here, those menus are coming over here under the footer section. Now let's give a logo to our website. We'll also add a title and description for it. Now go to the backend. Then we need to go to themes. Then click on customize. Now click on header. We have the logo option over there at the right side. We need to click on change and then we need to click on select image. Now click on upload to upload a new image. I have uploaded the logo. The output of that logo is shown on the website also in the preview section over here. Now let's click on select. Guys, we can also change the width of the logo over here. As you guys can see, the logo width have been reduced. We can also change the position of the logo, like currently it is there on the middle left. We can change it to top left, or we can change to top center. But it doesn't look good. Let's keep it middle left only. Now click on save. Now let's go to the front end of the website and see whether the logo has appeared or not. Now let's refresh the page. Guys, now we can see that in place of the website title, now logo is appearing on the front end of the website. Since we have reduced the size of the logo, hence the logo is shown small. Now, if I increase the custom width of the logo little bit, then it will reflect the same width on the website on the front end also. Now, let's add title and the description for the website. Now let's close this customizer by clicking on exit button. Now click on preferences. Under preferences, we can make changes to the homepage title, meta description, and we can also upload the social sharing image. Guys, in the previous step, we had seen how to upload the logo. The same logo is now shown over here under the social sharing image. We can also click on change image and change the image of the social sharing. We also have the option of Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel to track the activities on the website. We'll see this in the later videos. Now let's give a title for the homepage. Now let's click on save. Now let's go to the front end of the website and let's click on refresh. Now on top over here, we can clearly see the website name that we have given just now, that is Kode. Now let's right click on the website and then click on view page source. We can see the meta description that we have given in the backend under preferences. The same meta description is shown over there. This helps in the search engine optimization of the website. We can also see the website name over here, that is Kode. Now let's add filters to the collection. But before that, let's open the collection page. On the collection page, we can see the filters over here. Currently, we have the filter called availability and price. We can add more filters over here and we can remove the existing ones. In order to make changes to the filters, go to the back end, then click on navigation. Now under collection and search filters, we can see the filters that are already present on the website. That is the availability and price. Availability and also price. So when we select these filters, then based on the filters selected, the products are shown over here. Now let's add some more filters. In order to add more filters, click on Add Filters. Now we can see the different types of filters. Under products, we have availability, price, product type, vendor, that is the brand. Then under products option, we have colors, dimension and size. In the later videos, we'll see how to add meta fields to our website, and based on those meta fields, we can also give filters. Now currently we'll add the filter as product type. Now click on done. So in all together we have three filters now: availability, price and product type. Now click on save. Now let's go on the front end of the website and let's click on refresh. It takes about 10 to 20 seconds to reflect those changes on the front end. Now we can see the new filter, that is product type. Now under this product type, we can see the filter option, that is gift cards and t-shirt. So whatever details we had given when creating the products under the product type, so the same details are shown over here. I can select t-shirt. So now only t-shirts will be shown. If I select gift card, then only gift card will be shown. Now let's add the filter type as color. Click on add filters. Now under product options, we need to select the option as color and then we need to click on done. So altogether now we have 4 filters. We can also remove the availability currently to see whether it is going or not on the front end. Let's click on save. Now let's refresh. As I told you earlier, it takes little bit of time, like around 10 to 20 seconds. Now the availability filter has gone. We can see the price filter, the product type and the new filter that we have added, that is the color filter. Now we can see the option that we had added while creating the product, that is black, red. Now if I click on red, then I can only see the red color t-shirt. Now if I select black, then I can only see the black color t-shirt. We can click on reset to remove the options that are selected. Then all the options will be shown. So guys, that's all in this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. So let's do a recap. In this video, we have learned how to create a new menu and how to assign navigation items to it. We have also learned how to assign the newly created menu to the website. We have also learned to upload an image for the website logo. Then we have learned how to assign title and meta description for the website. And at the last, we have learned how to assign new filter items for the collection page. Before ending this video, if you have liked my video, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down and like and share this video, because it will motivate me to bring more videos like this and to help you guys. So that's all in this video. Thank you.